Hey guys, Kim here, and I was craving a healthy snack, so let's make this really easy healthy cookie dough together. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans, a quarter cup of almond milk, but I prefer cashew milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, a quarter cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and the recipe calls for a quarter cup of rainbow sprinkles, but I won't tell anyone if you add chocolate chip, just saying. And lastly, you need your blender or your food processor. Now here comes the easy part, putting everything together in your food processor. I have the magic bullet because I don't have a food processor, so this was the next best thing. Now, just like making cookies, you want to start with your wets before you incorporate your dries. So I started with the chickpeas and all the other wet ingredients, put it together, let it run and pulsate, mix it up a bit, and then I added my dry ingredients. After a few runs, it should look like this. It looks a bit doughy and lumpy, but we're gonna fix that. In a small mixing bowl, you're going to add your dough-like mixture and fold it in until it no longer looks lumpy. Then you add your sprinkles, and again, if you add chocolate chip, I won't tell anyone. It's our secret. And there you have it, healthy, edible cookie dough. Try not to bake it though. I got this recipe off of Calories Mix on Instagram, and they got it from Fit Women Eat. It's apparently low calorie. 1 tablespoon is 46 calories, a gram of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fat. Now, this treat looks so good to eat, and it is guilt-free. However, I did wish it was on the sweeter side, but this recipe is healthy for a reason, to cut off any unnecessary amounts of sugar. Now, try not to eat it in one sitting. You can store this in the fridge. If you do give it a try, let me know. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video.